After taking in the view for a few minutes, I decided to take a ferry and go across. The ferry costs 5 rupees and takes a few minutes to get across to the famous Tannirbhavi beach of Mangalore. Just reached the Tannirbhavi beach, which is one of the most commercial beaches यहाँ मैंगलोर में. जैसे आप एंटर करते हो फेरी राइड के बाद 1 मिनट का वॉक है. यू कैन सी द शॉप्स है. आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट यू डू दिस एट लाइक मी at 5 in the evening. You reach Sultan Battery, and Sultan Battery takes around 10 minutes to look around. Then you come, wait for the ferry. The ferry wait is sometimes very long, मतलब 10-15 minutes हो जाती है. And then you take the ferry across, which is 2 minutes, and come to the beach. Why I say do it at 5? Because then around 5:45 tak you will reach the beach, and they will get a brilliant sunset like this with the water. Nice golden hour मिल जाता है, नहीं तो बहुत गर्मी भी हो जाती है. Also, this is not one of the cleanest beaches that I've seen in Karnataka. I've seen all, like if you've been following the vlogs, I've seen most of the beaches from Karnataka. This definitely reminds me of a more commercial, lot of people come here type beach. The place in Tannirbhavi that I found the most interesting was the wooded area before the beach. There were people just sitting there, relaxing, playing games and doing their own thing. The best thing was it was a great shade from the sun, and also the sea breeze felt cooler here. I thoroughly enjoyed walking through it. So guys, just watching the sun go down on Tannirbhavi beach. It's my last sunset in Karnataka. Like you guys have been following the vlogs, I started in Mangalore, मैं गया गोकर्णा से उडुपी से वापस मैंगलोर आया हूँ. It's been an 8-day trip to the west coast of Karnataka. Many sunsets like this, many new experiences, नए दोस्त. Till 3 weeks back I was considering whether to go on a trek, but I decided last minute that let me do west coast of Karnataka. I had heard it's beautiful. It's worth each and every good thing I say. You know, it is so beautiful. The waters are blue. People are so nice. You meet so many new foreigners and locals and other sort of people just enjoying themselves. It's a brilliant place, guys. Just look at it. You know, from the beaches of Gokarna to Tannirbhavi, it's been quite a journey. It's something I'm going to remember for a very long time. You guys should do the trip just like I did. If you guys want to replicate it, go through all the vlogs. It's actually interesting. Nobody does this. Usually what people do is that they go from Goa to Gokarna and they don't experience the beaches which are in Karnataka. You should completely do it. They are very beautiful. See the vlogs. If you've already seen it, then you know what I'm talking about. Life-changing experiences हैं यहाँ पे यार. और अकेले जब करते हो तो वो it just changes you in a very very good way. कितना बैठोगे weekends पे बाहर जाओगे. This is so much better, you know, to travel, to just be here right now is so amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I'm just going to sit here and take the power of the sun that remains and then watch another brilliant sunset on the west coast of Karnataka. As I sat there and watched the sun go down, I couldn't help but recap the amazing time I had had. What was most special is that I had you guys with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the series as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. If you guys have, please like, share and consider subscribing.